Hello there. Today we will learn about the power of SEO. First, what is SEO, or importance of SEO, and why SEO matters. In a competitive digital landscape, SEO is essential for several reasons, and they are: increases organic traffic, enhances brand visibility, builds credibility and trust, improves user experience, provides measurable results, offers long-term benefits. How Paytumen can help: increases website traffic, establishes brand authority and trust, supports local SEO. Why Paytumen for SEO? Paytumen is an innovative short video posting social media app designed to revolutionize digital engagement. Short videos attract massive attention. Paytumen's algorithm promotes trending content, allowing for quick reach and organic growth. The app supports relevant hashtags, keywords, and metadata, enhancing searchability. Businesses can gain brand authority by optimizing their content for Paytumen's search system. Videos linked to external sites boost website traffic and improve Google rankings. Thank you. See you in our next video.